snow, snow, snow. Look at all the snow. Okay, I am completely wrapped up and looking like I am afraid of the cold, which I am, and I'm gonna show you how I got here. So this is where you exit from the station. You come in through here, and then right when you walk in, you're gonna find where you will rent your passes for the day. So if you have the JR Wide Tokyo Pass, then you present it to them and you get a special rate. That's what we did. And over here, where you have to fill up a form. Think of it as an a la carte menu type thing of everything that you plan to rent, unless you have your own gear, of course. Have the list, how much everything is gonna cost. Then you fill up the form, like a height guide, and then they have samples of all the rubber boots and things like that, so you know your size. And when you're done with that, finally, you can go line up over here to pick up your gear. You take your snowboard and you leave it here, and be sure to remember the serial number that comes with your snowboard so you know which one is yours. And then you walk all the way over here to the end, and that's where the locker rooms are. You see this little machine at the corner over there? That's where you get your locker tickets. This is not gonna end well. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing this. Please don't hit anyone. Please don't fall down. Please don't fall down. I'm up, I'm up. I'm balancing. So once you are done in your little adventure, you line up here. If you do like we did and borrow it for 2 days because it's just more economical to do it that way, then you just tell them and give them your little order form that you filled up earlier, and they'll know that you can come back and pick it up tomorrow.
Your order will arrive.
We came to this park because we heard that there were cherry blossoms even though it wasn't in season. Hello! And we've come a long way and we paid for the entrance fee, which wasn't a lot to be fair, but we found it! Can I flip this camera? No, you can't. Oh my goodness, that is so random. Do you see him? It's a snail. Are you gonna eat it?
Of course!
Boys.
Are they good?
Is it good?
Tastes like rubber.
That's not
Yeah, rubber.
rubber. No, I don't want one.
What? You want? Want to try?
No, it tastes like rubber. What are you doing? I don't want to do this.
Stick it in.
It's crawling up on me. I don't want to do this.
Hey, come on.
Really? Oh my god!
How is
It's not
it?
bad.
Not bad, right?
It's not bad. It just looks gross. This is happening. Yep, yep.
Atas ka pa.
Romance. Meanwhile, I'll just wait over here.
Somebody say you, me, left or right.
We have to say the first one.
And then you go like this, right? But then you just start saying your number.
But we don't know all the numbers. We only go up to 3. Trial round, you guys. Trial round. So we get what you're talking about. Takenoko, takenoko, gnocchi, gnocchi.
Four. Five.
For the social media. How? What?
This last year.
What did you just do?
Alright, so like, what you want? What
Texas
you want?
accent? What are we gonna say? If I don't really have a Texas accent, pull out.
I'll tell you one damn
I'm
thing,
gonna
alright?
go ahead and get ahead
Hey,
and
don't piss on my leg and tell me it's raining, right?
That's all
Alright, you got
absolutely
that?
correct. I'm
Alright,
gonna stand
that's
behind this man.
Represent North Carolina, right? North Carolina. Get your ass down here, alright?
That's right. That's